Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So definitely a lot of good things going on here. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we'll talk areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 75 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 75 cents, by no means am I implying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can manage to stay up above there, then yeah, that would certainly be a great sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at 69 cents. So 69 and then 75, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back for those of you that care about the big picture of things. So if you're sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just care about the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. So how do I measure the health of the move in a very cut and dry fashion? Well, that is where the purple line comes into play, the very famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So from that very straightforward point of view in terms of measuring, the health and the strength of the current price movement, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself upwards, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Well, on that note, I'm not even going to talk about resistance levels, and here is why. At the end of the day, resistance levels matter, but they don't. And the reason they don't matter is because at a core, from a bigger picture viewpoint, as long as the price is building higher bases, then the long-term chart's going to take care of itself, which includes breaking levels of resistance. So that is really top priority right now, is pretty much just build higher bases, go through healthy consolidations. Because like I said, as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.